Hey, y'all, last video. This is the online version. So people who are working remotely, this is what you're going to be using to carry out this investigation, at least for the first part. You'll see just very quickly a mass hanging right here. You'll see the cart, which you can adjust the starting position, but obviously I would start at the same place every time. When you press play, basically the simulation will run. You can get your data. And the way you'll do that mainly is by changing this from world, which is just like if you were in real life here, to both so that you can see actual numerical data. You can also do lots of different measurements, such as position versus time. And when you click these, typically it'll take a second to. Typically, take a second to allow you to actually look at your data. But if you change it to both, that's generally going to be the best way. Obviously, to reset, you would just basically drag it back. You can also press the reset button. And the nice thing about this is you can change the mass of your cart. You can change the mass of your hanging mass. And then eventually you can add a coefficient of static and kinetic friction. And you can adjust whether or not it's mostly static, mostly kinetic, to hopefully get most of the data that you would need from this. Obviously, if there's parts that you can't get, look kind of on the graph in the bottom right corner here. You can see position, velocity, acceleration, and time. And so hopefully this will get you guys the data that you need. If not, at least you'll have kind of the big idea of how you can manipulate and adjust different values to get different accelerations to your system. And of course, if it's not working, just let me know and we'll find something else.